Hi guys, so this is a continuation video of my last video about what are twin flames and what is their purpose. Okay, this is part 2. You can listen to part 1 first and then come back to this video. So I'll continue with the purpose. As I was saying, what is the purpose of twin flames? It is to help divine in the spiritual mission. Now what is their spiritual mission? Their spiritual mission is to raise the vibration of the earth, or to help planet earth in ascension. Okay, so just like souls undergo ascension, they move from a lower vibration to a higher vibration. Okay, from low dimension to higher dimensions. Likewise, planet earth also carries a collective vibration of the souls which are living on the planet. And as we know, right now Kali Yuga is going. Okay, Kali Yuga is going because of the all the souls which are there, they are operating mainly at a lower vibration. That's why there is so much sorrow, there is so much sadness, there is so much fear around. Okay, so this is all because of the collective vibration of the earth is very low at this point, right? And twin flames are here to raise the vibration. Now how they will raise the vibration? If there are many twin flames, there are many other souls who are undergoing awakening, who are not twin flames but they are on a spiritual path. Twin flames have a template of unconditional love. They are working on unconditional love. Okay, they are supposed to reach to a place where their vibration reaches unconditional love. Okay, so twin flame relationship has been given to them so that they learn unconditional love. Okay, that's why this relationship is so important. This is not a regular relationship. Okay, so that's why there is this spiritual aspect to it and this spiritual responsibility to it. Understand this, guys. Okay, so yes, I know you love your twin a lot and you want them to come back, and if they are not coming back, don't start hating them or don't start to chase them like mad. Okay, they also love you, but your contract is such that unless and until you work on your vibration, you work on healing yourself as a soul, only then you will unite. Why it is like that? Because if you unite immediately, you won't do the work, you won't do the healing work, because you have got your twin. So it will be like regular relationship, then who will do the work? Okay, so that's why I said that this union is nothing but a driving force. It will be acting as a driving force for you, for which you will do all the work. Now you're listening to this video means you are searching for answers, right? So you will do this work, you will understand what this relationship is, and it is very important to understand the basic concept and the main intention behind why this relationship has been given to you by the divine. It is a blessing and it is also a responsibility. Okay, so this is the main mission. Okay, to work on ourselves, to work on our healing, to reach to a place of unconditional love. Okay, and this is not just for 5 minutes or one day. You have to be in that state 24/7. You have to work very hard. You have to work on all your triggers, all your wounds, all your karmic patterns. Okay, so this is how they will help in ascension of the planet from Kali Yuga to Satyug. Satyug is nothing but a golden age where they will where the planet's vibration is so high that all the souls who are there, they will be at a higher vibration. They will be happy, there will be peace. You all know what golden age is or what Satyug is. Okay, so this is the reason this relationship is teaching you unconditional love. Okay, and you are supposed to dissolve all your karmic patterns. Okay, now I will make another video on why there is so much pain in the twin flame journey and what exactly happens, but understand the purpose. My main intention is to help you divert your mind from the relationship, from focusing on your twin to focusing on the purpose of this relationship, because once you do that, your twin will ultimately come back to you when the time is right. Because the main objective of the relationship, or why you met your twin, is so that you understand your spiritual mission and start working on it. Because that's why you have incarnated on planet earth. You haven't incarnated here to get married and have kids and settle and retire and die. Okay, So yes, you will meet your twin, you will have a relationship with it, and it will be blissful only if you work on yourself. So if you keep on chasing them, you will be in pain for years. Okay, so that's why I want you guys to understand this, because I myself have struggled a lot, and I have been in so much pain that ultimately then I understood. And I really come to a realization about the importance of working on yourself, because that is the first thing that should be in your list, working on yourself. If you have understood that you are on this journey, you should start working on yourself. Okay, and I'll come to that one by one in my next videos, how you can work on yourself. So that and ultimately if you start working on yourself, it is not only good for your twin flame journey, but everything in your life will start falling into place. So that is the advantage. Once you start taking responsibility, everything will fall into place. Okay, so focus on your purpose, focus on yourself and your healing. Okay guys, so this was my video which I wanted to make about the purpose of this journey. Okay, so just don't keep thinking about union, think about how you can unite with yourself first. Think about uniting with yourself first. That is very important, guys. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Please like and subscribe to the video, share this video to anybody who is going through pain. Okay, and let me know in the comments if you're finding my videos helpful, so that I'll continue making the videos. Okay, so I love you all and take care.